spray. We just gotta get there. What we're looking at here is this entire side of the truck, besides right here, done in what I call Trizac. Right before this step was 1500 actually. Right now, it looks really good. I still got a hit from here up. And that little A pillar with the 15, you know, it looks pretty freaking great. I think I could do a little better. And then if you look really closely, like in here is foggy because I didn't hit that as well as I could have with some Trizac. There's a couple scratches up here that I want to remove. To do that, I have to sand again. This fender right here actually is still in 1500 before Trizac. So you can see, I'll wipe this down real quick, so maybe it'll give you a better idea what it looks like here. All right, when that dries off, this whole side is done in 1500 still. So I have to hit this entire side with the machine with Trizac, and that's what the other side's finished in already. And then after this, you go to polish, and look, you can see this is a great example. There's like no reflection, and it's very evenly sanded. Hardly any fish eyes or scratches in here. You can see this was a scratch. Something was on the sandpaper, which is not too big of a deal because you know, the truck's got to show somewhere. It's coming out really nice, and I'm really looking forward to getting this polished, although I have to finish the rest of the truck in Trizac before I start to polish. I hate jumping steps. So I'm gonna get this thing finished up today, and then tomorrow it'll be time to polish.